Hi students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. If you have any issues, you can share with me students, okay? Now, we had already started with chapter 6, that is factorization of algebraic expression, and we had started with practice set 6.1, and we have done up till question number 5. I think so we have done till question number 5. Yes, question number 5, 6.1, question number 5. Now let's continue further. Actually, I was supposed to send you the PDF. I was going to send you the PDF of the remaining sums, but then I felt that if I explain, then it will be better because some children may get confused. So again, I am taking all the remaining sums in the video only. I'll be solving so that there is no confusion. Now, question number 6 now is p square minus 7p minus 44. So children, what is your product here? Product is minus 44. What is the product? Product is your minus 44, and here what will be your middle term? That is your sum is minus 7. Now see children, we need to find the factors of 44. We know that 11 4s are 44, right? 11 4s are 44, so it is 11 4s are 44. Now here see children, we need minus 7. So if I take minus 4 plus minus 11 plus 4, minus 11 plus 4, then minus 11 plus 4 becomes minus 7. Clear? So, and 11 4s are 44, and minus sign is there, so it will be minus 44. So the required factors will be minus 11 and plus 4. So now how we are going to arrange? P square minus 11p plus 4p minus 44. Okay. So this is equal to, from this both the terms, p will be common. What is remaining from here? P minus 11 plus, now here since it is plus sign, so we are taking plus. What is common here? 4 11s are, so only 4 is common, and what is here remaining? P minus 11. Now see children, you have got the bracket similar, so that bracket will come out p minus 11, and in the other bracket from this first term, what is remaining? P is remaining. From here plus 4. So p minus 11 and p plus 4 is the factor of p square minus 7p minus 44. Now let's see the 7th question. Your 7th question is m square minus 23m plus 120. Okay children, so your product is 120. Now we need to find the factors of 120, okay, such that if we add or subtract, we should get it 23. Okay, sum should be 23 minus 23, and the product should be 120. So we know that 15 8s are 120. Okay, 15 8s are 120, and 15 plus 8 will be plus 8 will be 23, but we need minus 23, so we'll write minus 15 minus 8. Okay, so we'll take minus 15 minus 8. Now here, so this we are going to arrange m square minus 15m minus 8m plus 120. M square minus 15m minus 8m plus 120. So this is equal to, from these two terms, m common, m minus 15. Now here see children, minus, so minus 8 1s are 8 15s are, so it is 8 common, m. Now always, as I have already told, whenever minus sign is common, sign inside the bracket will change, so it will be m minus 120, so m minus 15. Okay, so it will be m minus 15. I am writing it again, m minus 15 minus 8, m minus 15. Now see children, m minus 15, m minus 15, so m minus 15 will be common here. Now m is remaining from the first term, from the second term minus 8. So m minus 15, m minus 8 is the factor of m square minus 23m plus 120. Now see children, in case in exam, if you want to verify on by yourself whether the factors what you have found out is correct or not, then if you multiply these both bracket children, then you will get what? You will get m square minus 23m plus 120. That means verification also you can do on yourself. Means you will know in the exam that your sum is correct by just multiply these both bracket. We know that binomial multiplied by binomial we have already learned in 7th standard. So if you multiply these both bracket, then what you are going to get, you will get this question, that is m square minus 23m plus 120. Clear? So it will be a reverse step now, right? See, m minus 15, m minus 8. Now remember, in binomial what we are doing, we are splitting the any one bracket. So here we are we are splitting the second bracket, m into m minus 15 minus 8 into m minus 8. See, the steps are going reverse, right? Now then we are multiplying m into m square minus 15m minus 15m, then minus 8m minus, okay. So this is just going on reverse. Now 8th question, children, m square minus 25m plus 100. So your product is first term into last term, coefficient of first term into last term, that is 1 into 100 will be 100. Now we need to find the factors of 100, okay. So we know 20 5s are 100, 20 into 5, right? 20 multiplied by 5 will give me 100. But here children is minus 25. So 20 plus 5 is 25. But we need minus 25. So if I put here minus sign, so minus 20 minus 5 becomes minus 25. Now see how to arrange m square minus 20m minus 5m plus 100. Okay, no change in the first and last term. Now from these both term, m common, m minus 20 minus 5 common, m from first term m, and here sign changes, so minus 20. 5 20s are 100. 5 20s are 100. So this is equal to m minus 20, and the other bracket what is remaining from here, m, and from here minus 5. So m minus 20 and m minus 5 is the factor of this trinomial. Okay, let us start with the 9th question. 9th question is 3x square plus 14x plus 15. So the 9th question is 3x square plus 14x plus 15. Now see children, 3x square plus 14x plus 15. Now first term into last term, okay, coefficient of first term into coefficient of the last term. Coefficient means what? Whatever number is before the variable. Again I am reminding you all that the number before the variable is called as the coefficient, which we have already learned in 6th and 7th standard. So first term coefficient is 3, last term is 15. So first term into last term, product of first term into last term, that will become how much? 45. So your product is 45. Now we need to find the factors of 45 such that if we add those numbers, we should get 14, right? So here children, 9 5s are 45, 9 plus 5 14, correct? But and now here we want positive plus 14, so we can take plus 9 plus 5, right? So this is equal to 3x square plus 9x plus 5x plus 15, right? 9x plus. Now see children, there is no change in the first term and the last term, only the middle term we are adjusting. We are splitting and adjusting the middle term, that is 9x plus 5x is 14x, means we are not changing the question at all. Clear? Now first two. Now here in the first pair, what is common? See, 3 1s are 3 3s are, so 3 is already common, 3 is also 3 common. Here is x square, here 1x. So I have already always said that whenever there are variable and we need to remove common, then the variable with the lower power comes out. So here variable with the less power is x, so x will come out, right? From x square 1x has already come out. Now here if you want, you can write the product form 3 into x plus 3 into x, like that way. But now you need to practice orally because now you are in 8th standard. So now 3x common, so from first term 3 is already out, 1x is out, so what is remaining? Only 1x plus, okay, 3 3s are, and already x is x we have already taken. Now 5x plus 15, there is no variable common but number, here plus sign, so plus sign. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are, so 5 is common, x plus 3. Now this is equal to this, x plus 3 will be out, first bracket, and here second bracket 3x, and from here plus 5, so 3x plus 5. This is the, okay, factorization of 3x square plus 14x plus 15. Now let us see the 10th question. see children, the 10th question, 2x square plus x minus 45. Now what is your product of first term into last term? 45 minus 45 into 2. 2 into minus 45. 2 multiplied by minus 45, that is minus 90. Correct? Minus 90. Now we have to find the factors of minus 90 such that in the middle it is only plus x, that means plus 1x. If 1 is not written, that means it is understood that it is only 1x. Now how are we going to, what numbers will be taking so that product comes 90? So we know that 10 nines are 90, right? Now here see children, middle term is your plus sign, there is a positive sign, so plus 10 minus 9, plus 10 minus 9 becomes how much? Plus 1, right? So plus 1x. You can say instead of there is no need to write 1x, but it is understood. 10 minus 9 is 1 and bigger number is having plus sign, so it is, so this, now how are we going to arrange? This is equal to 2x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 45. Now from these first pair 2 is common, x is common, okay, 2 and x is common. What is remaining? Only 1x from here, plus 2 5s are 10, so 2 5s are 10, okay. Now minus from here 9 is common, right? 9 1s are 9 5s are, so 9 is common, x is not common, so here minus 9 is common. Whatever sign is there here children in the middle, that you are taking out. Now here what is remaining? X. Now since minus sign is taken common, so here sign will change, that becomes plus sign. So x plus 5 and this is 2x minus 9. Now let's see, start with the 11th question children. Now you can see 20x square minus 26x plus 8. Now your product will be 20 into 8, that becomes 160, and then we have to think of two numbers or two factors such that the product should be 160 and your middle term is minus 26. Now in this case children, here since this to find product, sometimes you can get the product also easily and then or sometimes you may not get. So there is one more method children. This is, see now, 20, 26 and 8 all are even numbers, all will be divisible by 2. So if I take 2 common, this sum becomes little simple. So if I am taking 2, this is equal to 2 into 2 tens are 10x square minus 13x plus 4, right? 2 13s are and 2 4s are. So what I have done children, I have taken 2 common, okay. In the first step I have removed 2 common. Now what is happening, my question 10 4s are 40, right? So it becomes little easy now to find the factors of 40 is easy, right? So this is equal to, now here 2 you are keeping as it is, you are not doing anything. Now what is your product? Just concentrate on the trinomial inside the bracket, okay, just concentrate on the trinomial which is inside the bracket. So 10 4s are 40, okay, 10 4s are 40. Now we have to find the middle two factors such that if you add we should get 13, add or subtract, it depends on what is your middle term. So if you have to adjust the middle term. Now we know that, okay, we know that 8 5s are 40, 8 plus 5 is 13, but we want minus 13, so we'll take minus 8 minus 5. Now this is inside the bracket, so 10x square, okay, I am writing minus 5x minus 8x plus 4, okay. Now why? Because see children, you can adjust. Why? Because if I write 10 and 5, to remove 5 common is very easy, 4 common is easy. If you want you can write 8 also. If you write here minus 8x then minus 5x, still you will get the same answer, right? So there is no change in the answer, but some little tricks you can use so that you will what we can do little faster, so you will not waste much time, right? So this is equal to 2 common. Now here from these two bracket, okay, from this term we are removing common, and then from this term. So from this term what is common? 5 is common and x is common. Now 5 2s are 10, so 2 and 1 x is remaining, minus. Now see children, 5x everything I have taken common, so nothing is remaining. Then whenever nothing is remaining, then 1 is remaining, okay, you have to write 1. Clear? See here how I have taken this common, okay, 10 5s are. So 5 is common because 5 and 10 both are there in 5's table. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 common. X square x, small is x, so x is going to come out. Now from here first term what is remaining? 5 2s are, so 2s are 10, no, so 5 2s are, and 1x is already out, so only 1x is remaining. So from x square 1x is out, so only 1x is remaining, minus 1. Now 4 and 8, so what is common? Here minus sign, so minus, and 4 is common, right? Now I will write 4 2s are and 1x is remaining. Now minus sign we have taken common, so your sign will change. So this is equal to 2 inside the bracket. Now we are dealing, okay, so that will become 2x minus 1 into 5x minus 4. Clear? So we are getting the factors 2 into 2x minus 1, 5x minus 4. Suppose if you are not taking out at the first stage common 2, if you are not taking, then children here what it would be, here in the second bracket or first bracket these 2 would be inside. So we need that time last stage we have to remove common. So in any ways either you take common in the first stage or in the last step, so better you take the remove common at the initial stage so that your sum becomes easy. Now let's see the last question, children. 44x square minus x minus 3. Okay, 44x square minus x minus 3. So the product of first term into last term, 44 3s is how much? 44 3s, if you multiply it will be 132, but and here minus sign, so it will be minus 132. Now we have to find the factors of minus 132. So see children, minus 132. Okay, now we know that if you multiply and see, so it will be 12 11s are 132. It is 12 11s are 132. So if I write 12 multiplied by 11 is 130. Now here see children, okay, minus x means minus 1x, so it will be 12 minus 11 is 1x. Now but here the middle, in the middle we have minus sign, so we'll put minus 12 plus 11. Now see how we will adjust. This is equal to 44x square, okay, 44x square minus 12x plus 11x minus 3. Okay, 44x square. Now see children, here if you adjust little, so it will be, if I adjust 44x square, if I write here plus 11x minus 12x minus 3. See 44 and 11 both will go in 11's table, so it will be easy for you to for us to remove common. So this adjustment you can do. Okay, this adjustment if you do, it becomes easy. Okay, so we have adjusted here. Now from these both term, 11x is common. What is remain? 4s are 11x common, 11 4s are 40 and 1x is remaining, plus 1 because everything has come out. Now here minus 3 common, 3 4s are 12. Okay, that, and 1x is remaining, so 4x. Since minus sign is taken out, so it will be plus 3 is already out, so plus 1. Here middle sign will become plus. Why? Because we have taken here minus sign common. Okay, so here middle sign, or you can just keep in mind that whenever there is a minus sign outside the second bracket, then the sign inside the second bracket will change, so it will be plus. Now both the brackets are same, so 4x plus 1, this is equal to second bracket 11x minus 3. So see children, these sums are easy but only require practice. Okay, now one shortcut method I will just show you. Now suppose children, if simple numbers like 40, so it is very easy for you to find out 8 5s are 40, right? Now sometimes a bigger number you have, right, bigger number, like now suppose 132, to click in the exam that the factors of what will be the factors of 132, 12 11, right? But then sometimes in exam if it is not clicking to you that what will be the factors, because sometimes it happens suddenly it does, and it will take much suppose sometime you are wasting the time. So it is better what you can do, there is one method we have learned, the prime factorization method, right? So suppose bigger numbers are there, you try the find out the factors of 132. So 132 factors will be, suppose 2 6 are 12 as well, again 2 3s are, right, 2 3s are 3s are, right? Now here 3 11s are 11 1s are. So now see children, we have found the factors of 132, right? That is 2 6 are 12. Okay, carry 1 to 7. Now here see children, 2 2s are how, now see how to adjust. We have got the factors of, so 132 factors are what, 2 into 2 into 3 into 11, right? Now look here, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, right? See, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now this is 12 and 11, so 12 and 11. So this way children, okay, any numbers you can find the factors, you can find the factors easily. It becomes very easy. Just you have to adjust. It is not necessary that you follow this one sequence. Sometimes you have to from the factors, sometimes you have to combine second and third, and first and last will be one pair, like that way. So this combination children, you have to combine as per your middle term, that is the sum. Okay, now here it was very simple, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 11, because my middle term was only 1. One more I'll just take one more example to show the how we can write the factors. Now here only some other number. Now see children, these are some extra questions which I have found out for you all. So these are some extra questions, okay, which you will be solving. I'll be sending the PDF also. You can see also, you can take the screenshot also now of from this video also. You can take the screenshot, and I will send the PDF also along with the answers. Okay, now here see, same type of sums are given, but more many sums are given, so that if you practice this properly, and this all the sums children you will solve in the homework notebook. Okay, now here also the same question, find the factors. Now here see children, you can see some big numbers are there, 135, 399, right, 324. Okay, if such numbers, big number comes, so I have just now showed you how to use the factorization method to find the factors. Now in case the question is y square plus 6y minus 135, okay, y square plus 6y minus 135. Now if suppose if it is not clicking to you, you know the product is minus 135, okay, now it's not clicking to you that which two terms I will take, which number will I select, so that my middle terms comes plus 6y. Okay, in this case what, again same, you will find out the factors of 135. Now we know last number is 5, so here it is going to be divisible by either 3 or by 5. So we'll suppose we start, you can 3, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9. It is possible with 3 also and 5 also, any one you can start. So 5 2s are 10, and what is remaining 3, so 5 7s are 35. Now 3 9s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are, okay. So we are getting the factors. Now here only we will write that 135 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3 into 3, right, 5 into 3 into 3. Now see children, here 5 3s are 15, okay, 5 3s are 15, and this is 3 3s are 9. So 15 9s are is 135, okay, and 15 minus 9 is 6. So what is my 15 minus 9 is 6, that is my required middle term. Now so what are my numbers, what are the two numbers I will be taking, 15 and 9. Now here since bigger number, here there is positive sign, okay, so bigger number will be my positive, that is plus 15 minus 9. Clear children? See how we have found the factors with the help of factorization method. Now same method, this is equal to, okay, you will adjust y square plus 15y minus 9y minus 135, okay, plus 15y minus 9y minus 135, because 15 minus 9 is plus 6y. So this is equal to y common, y plus 15 minus 9 common, because minus sign common, so it will be y plus 15, because 9 15s are 135. So this is y plus 15 and this is y minus 9, first bracket. Clear children? So by using this factorization method you can find the factors easily, and it will be easy for you. Now here, okay, some other big numbers I will be taking only for this revision purpose, so that it becomes easy. Now see children, 324, okay, again this is a big term, 324, and here middle term is minus 36, 324 and minus 36. Now see children, same we are taking this big number, okay, x square minus 36x plus 324. Now here see children, okay, now the question product is 324, so we need to find the factors of 324 first, okay. So here I am doing that, okay. Now here 324, Now 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 twos are, right? Then 2 8s are 2 ones are. Now 3 okay, 3 27s are, then 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So children, see, we have got the factors of 324. This is equal to 2 into 2 2 into 2 into how many times? 3 4 times. Now our concern is product. We want 324 and middle term should be 36. Positive negative we can adjust afterward, but we want middle term should be 36. Now here, see, if we take 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, okay, 12, and here 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. If you go for 20 this way, so it becomes 9 and 39, which is not possible, right? This is not possible for us. Now we have to change the pairing of the numbers here, as I have already told now also, that pairing you are going to change as per your requirement. Now what we can do, see, okay, 2 3s are 6, okay, 2 3s are 6, 3, okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So this is 118, okay, this 2 3s are 6, okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Now this 2 I will take, 2 3s are 6, okay, yeah, this number I will be taking, 2 3s are 6. What is remaining is 2 3s are 6, okay, and 6 3s are 18. So clear? So what I am going to do, make, so 18 plus 18 will become 36. So we are making the pair. So what we, the first pair was 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. That means, okay, now so 2 into 3 into 3 we have taken. That means now what is remaining? This remaining, what is 118 we have already taken out. So what is remaining? This 2 and this 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 18 will be, and 18 multiplied by 18 is 324. Now how are we going to adjust? So we are writing like x square minus 36x plus 324. So this is equal to x square minus 18x plus 324, right? So this is equal to, from this both, x common, x minus 18 common, x minus 18, because we have taken minus sign common. So x minus 18, and here also your bracket will be x minus 18. So children, I have just showed you the other method in which you can find the factors, okay? So tomorrow you are going to solve this. Take the screenshot of this page, okay? You are solving all this question number 1 and 2, and I will be sending the answers to you, okay, so that you can do it. If you feel little difficult, then children, first again practice at 6.1 in you can solve it in the homework book also, so that solve again those sums till you get thorough with that sum, then you proceed with the homework, okay? So practice properly, complete the homework. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.